Dear students, see the next one from 11th standard, motion in the straight line chapter, Ncert exercise problem number 3.16. Okay, 3.16. It is one interesting question by using the graphical diagram. So now we are going to analyze this graphical diagram, whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, so we know there's so many ideas about the position, displacement, speed, velocity, and path length, and the time with the time variation. So we know so many experience related with this way. So by using that ideas and experience, we are going to judge whether this graph is correct or not. Shall we do it? Please see that. Look at the graph A to D. Okay, A, B, C, and D. So 4 graphs is given. Okay, state with the reason. Okay, so A to D carefully and state with the reason. So graph பார்த்துட்டு graph என்ன சொல்ல வருதுன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. அப்புறம் which of these cannot possibly represent one-dimensional motion? It's very important. In one-dimensional motion, it is like one-dimensional motion, that is one direction, not written by. Okay, in one-dimensional motion, which of the following graph is not possible? Okay, so எந்த graph இது கண்டிப்பா ஒன் டைமென்ஷனல் மோஷனே இல்லைன்னு சொல்லுது கேட்குறாங்க. So we check one by one. Okay, see that. First graph, there is a relationship between position change with respect to time. இப்போ பாருங்க, கிராஃப் பாருங்க, கிராஃப் போய் வந்து okay, see that. This, whether it is correct or not. Let us imagine, students, this is one particle. Okay, the same time the particle here also. Is this possible? Let us imagine one bus. Now you are watching the time, one bus. Okay, now 5 o'clock you are watching. One bus is in a bus stand. At the same time, at the same 5 o'clock, the same bus is possible in B bus stand? No. So this diagram, this graph here is wrong. It is not possible. Okay? So it is not possible, it is wrong. Next step. See that? The same idea we can follow for velocity and time. See that? Let's take one particular time. It having some velocity, it having some velocity. Is this possible? At the same time, we are watching the time 5 o'clock. One bus is moving 50 km per hour north direction. The same bus 50 km per hour in south direction is possible? No. The same way, this graph also wrong. It is not possible in one dimension. Okay? Right, the next one, there is a relationship between speed and time. Okay? So you know very well, speed what? Speed is equal to path length or distance divided by time. But if you focus here, okay, the speed, see that it is in the positive way, okay, but speed will come in negative also. Speed will not come in negative because distance divided by time or path length divided by time. Distance is not in negative. I covered minus 5 meter, we can't say. Okay, so the path length always what? Positive only, but this graph will come in negative. So this graph also not possible. Okay, so for the path 1, maybe already 3 is wrong, maybe the 4th is correct, not like that. Okay, let's analyze this question, analyze this problem. This is also a relationship between the total path length and time. Okay, see that. So here to here, time also increasing, path length also increasing. Okay, for example, starting from here, object is moving, time is increasing, path length also increasing. After that, time, up to here, okay, time is increasing, path length is reducing. How path length is reducing? Even if you move reverse direction, the path length is what? You must add here and here, you should add the both. So path length never reduce. Okay, I'm standing here, I'll move to A to B position. Okay, again I'll move to B to here, C position. Initially I am A position, I'll move to B position, finally I reach C position. My path length is not reduced. My displacement is okay reduced, but path length is not reduced. Okay? Path length is always positive only, it's not reduced value. But if you observe this diagram, here path length is increasing, up to here okay. But here the time is increasing, but path length is reducing. How? So this is also not possible. Here the same time, in two places the particle is present, it is wrong. In same time, the same particle travel with two different velocity, that is also wrong. Okay. Next one, here that path length is negative, so this is also wrong. But here the path length is reducing, path length is never reducing, so this is also wrong. So A, B, C are not possible. Okay, I hope you understand this question. Thank you.